With the space left on the canvas, it's time to highlight the most important numbers in your data using KPI cards. These cards make key metrics like total sales or profit stand out so decision makers can spot them instantly.
To do that, we'll head over to our visualization section and add a card visual to our report. Once the empty card visual appears on our screen, let's add a field to it. In this visual, we'll see our total sales. So I'll go ahead and add amount column from our order details tab into this. Let's format this visual. Go into format pane. Under general section, let's give it a title. We'll call it total sales. Next, let's center align the title. Then we will remove this text that is appearing under the number by going into visual and turning off the category label toggle. The numbers look a little bit too large, so let's adjust them by expanding our call out value section, and in here changing size of our number by setting it to 25. Let's also make them bold. And there you have it, your total sales KPI. Next, let's add another KPI. We'll select the card from visual and in this KPI we'll show our total profits. So we will bring in the profits column into our field section. Next, let's customize this by adding a title. We'll go into format pane, into general, and expand the title option. Let's set it to total profit. Next, to quickly format it to look like our first KPI card, go into home and select format painter. Your cursor will again change into a brush and will bring it to our total profit KPI. And you will see how the formatting of our total profit KPI changes to look like the total sales KPI. Okay, let's quickly adjust these two visuals. Next, we will add another KPI to show the number of products sold. For this, we'll add another card, and for the number of products, we'll add the quantity field into our visual. Once we have that, we'll go ahead and add a title to this KPI by going into our format section, into title, and saying total products sold. We will then quickly format it by using our format painter option.
These KPI cards are like the cherry on top. My boss will love this.
That's spot on, Benji. Highlighting key metrics like this brings real clarity. Let's move on and add the final touches to make it presentation ready.